In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings, search for app list or app management, go to app list. Now search for WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Go to storage, and all you have to do is to click on this clear storage option. Click on OK. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to your files manager. Click on all files, select internal storage, and then go to Android. Select media, scroll down and go to WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and then click on this databases option. Now what you have to do is to select all these files and then click on copy, go back and then go to backups and paste all these files here. And once it's done, all of your deleted chats will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.